Okay. Third property, associativity. Associativity, associativity means just like a previous property, commutative property, and a commutative property we know that addition and multiplication are followed by rational number, and subtraction and division is not followed by rational number. Same as it as here. Only one here, addition and multiplication are follow and subtraction and division are not follow. Means a plus b plus c and is equal to a plus b plus c. Means here if add, there will be a plus b, use a bracket, there will be a same things. Okay, and same here, subtraction is not follow. Subtraction is not follow. A minus b plus c is equal to a plus b minus c is not follow. That means addition follow, subtraction not follow, multiplication a cross b cross c is equal to a cross b cross c, and division is not follow. Division, there will be a divided by b divided c is not follow a divided by b divided by c is not follow. Okay everyone, and fourth and last property, distributive property. Distributive property, D I S T R I B U T I V I T Y. Distributive property only one here, a cross b plus c. B plus c, there will be a same here, is equal to ab and plus ac. Okay, same here, division a cross b minus c, ab minus ac, ab minus ac. Now conclusion, then will be, that means closure property for a rational number, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division followed. Commutative property, addition and multiplication followed and subtraction and division not followed. And associative property, addition and multiplication followed and subtraction and division not followed. And distributive property, only one here, multiplication with addition, multiplication with subtraction are followed. Then will be your properties are clear. Okay everyone. Now is a inverse. 1 2 3 start. Additive inverse. If any rational number, for example minus x. If any rational number minus x negative to each other, okay, and additive inverse here, there will be a change to a sign, there will be a minus and minus already, there will be a minus, there will be here minus minus plus, because multiply there will be a plus x. That means additive inverse is just opposite, minus plus, okay, and multiplicative inverse there will be a, this is called to be a reciprocal. This is called to be a reciprocal. 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 Reciprocal means if any rational number p upon q. There will be a reciprocal means just opposite. Then this is write down q upon p. If ask a question, कि write a reciprocal p upon q, then what is this answer? Q upon p. Q upon p. Now look, these are some questions. using, let me look this exercise 1.1, using appropriate property. Given that here 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 14 minus 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Then we are using appropriate property and find the equation. Find the equation. Then how can solve? First of all, is equal to, and write down in proper way. Then we are first of all 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7. Look this and interchange here. Then we are minus 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 5 minus 1 upon 14. 1 upon 14. 1 upon 14. Then we look this first term. This is a second term and this is a third term. And third term, here look this using two property which by commutative. By commutative. By commutative property, look here, this is the first term, this is second term, this is the third term. In this term and in this term, any one term is common here, minus 3 upon 7. So take common minus 3 upon 7. Then remaining, okay, 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. And here 1 upon 14. Then solve it first of all. Minus 3 upon 7 into denominator are same, then is equal to 5 and 3 into 5 minus 1 upon 14. Then open your bracket and 3 upon 7 into 5 1 ja 5, then will be a 1 minus 1 upon 14. Then 3 into 1 1, 3 into 1, then will be a 3 minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 14. Take LCM because denominator are not same. Then will be a 7 and 14, and we know that everyone 14, there will be a 14. Okay, 14 divided by 7, then will be a 2 times, then will be a 3 into 2 minus 14 divided by 14, then will be a 1, then will be a minus 6 minus 1 upon 14 is equal to minus 6 and minus 1, then will be a minus 7 and upon 14. 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 14. That means answer minus 1 upon 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, everyone? Okay. Then now some other question doing practice everyone. Okay.
Start.
Using appropriate property and find. First, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. And question number 2, 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Everyone do this question in fair copy. Okay everyone, and properties also. Okay, आप सभी को यह कार्य जितना मैंने पढ़ाया वो सभी एक कॉपी में करना है और फिर मेरे को शो कराना दिखाना है. ओके, थैंक यू.